In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from broken iPhone to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a broken iPhone, maybe the screen cracked, maybe it just died, it's not working, it's damaged, regardless of the reason, there are some methods that will allow you to transfer the data to another device, including of course an Android phone. So I'm going to showcase some of them in this video depending on how much you set up before the device died. So one of the simplest ways to transfer the data is going to be by connecting the iPhone to a PC or laptop and then using that PC or laptop to transfer the data to the Android device. So essentially the PC or laptop will act as sort of a middleman to make this transfer happen. However, if you have never connected your iPhone to the PC or laptop where you want to do this transfer, you won't be able to get this done. When you connect it for the first time, there will be a pop-up on the iPhone's screen asking you if you trust that device, so the PC or laptop. Depending on how severe the damage on your iPhone is, you won't be able to access the trust prompt. If your touch screen is sort of working, then you might be able to tap yes on the trust prompt, and if that's done, then you can access all of the data when the iPhone is connected to the PC. But if you aren't able to access this trust prompt and you have never connected it to that specific device before, then sadly you won't be able to access the data because it needs to trust that device before allowing the data to go through. In that case, the option that I would recommend is to check if you had an iCloud backup. So if you know that you had an iCloud backup, or if you are unsure and you would like to check, you can go over to iCloud.com. You can do this on a laptop, so it doesn't have to be done on a PC or another iPhone. So regardless of the device that you will be transferring into, on your Android device, you can open a web browser. On a PC, you can open a web browser. On a laptop, and go to iCloud.com. In here, sign in using your Apple account, and all of your data should be available, assuming that you had a backup made before. Now, in the case where you never connected it to a PC or laptop, so you cannot choose the option to trust that device, the iPhone is too broken, and you never made an iCloud backup, then sadly there isn't anything that you can do. You must have done at least one of these two steps, and you will be able to choose depending on what you had available before the iPhone died. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from broken iPhone to Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.